Good afternoon, class. How are you today? Did you sleep well? Did you eat your lunch? Okay, I hope you did. And I hope you are eating unhealthy food. Okay, so this afternoon we are going to continue our lesson. Okay, so last time we talked about shapes, right? Okay, so today we are going to continue our lesson. So, this afternoon we will talk about the days of the week. So the first week, there are 7 days of the week. So the first is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, let's practice how to spell the days of the week. So the first day is Sunday. Sunday I spell Sunday. Monday I spell Monday. Tuesday I spell Tuesday. Wednesday I spell Wednesday. Thursday I spell Thursday. Friday I spell Friday. Saturday I spell Saturday. All right. Great job, kids. Again, how many days of the week? There are 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Now, let's practice how to answer the days of the week. So, again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, today is, what day is it, kids? Today is Friday. Okay. And how about yesterday? What day was yesterday? Yesterday, yesterday was Thursday. Okay. How about tomorrow, kids? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay, great job. Now, let's practice more about the days of the week. Okay, here, days of the week, direction. Fill in each blank with the correct day. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the word. So if you are writing a day of the week class, you need to write the first letter into capital. Like this one, as you observe, all the letters in the beginning of the days of the week written into capital letter. Okay, now let's practice. Today is Friday, so we have yesterday, Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. How about if today is Wednesday? What day was yesterday? So if today is Wednesday, the day yesterday is Tuesday. And tomorrow it will be Thursday. And today, Sunday, yesterday was Saturday, and tomorrow will Monday. And if today is Saturday, yesterday was Friday, and tomorrow will be Sunday. And if today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. And if today is Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday. And the last but not the least, if today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, kids? So that would be all for this afternoon. I hope you learned something new today. Okay? Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to check our portfolio. Have a nice day, kids. Goodbye.